Pick somebody up.
Get the ball. Go get it. Go, 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 go! Get him! Yeah! Come on.
Here we go. Hey, let's go, D.
One
Time to
D.
be tough.
Come on, D.
Time to be tough.
You're out. Hamburger! Los, come out! Go.
Chip,
Los
Chip,
out,
Chip, go!
Los!
Go for Jack.
Los! Hustle! Hamburger! Take Mike! Hamburger Mike!
4:45. 4:45.
Hold up, guys.
Hey! Hold it!
Oh, shit. 0:45 minutes.
Fixing the clock. Huddle back up. Make sure everyone knows you're doing.
Clock was running when it shouldn't.
Time out since they yelled wait. Let's keep it light, everybody. All right, here we go, guys.
Come on, Clark, get in there.
Bullseye!
Hey,
Bullseye!
Bullseye! Rouse, keep this corner. There you go. Got it, boy, Reynolds.
Good job, boys.
Way to dive, Reynolds, let's go. Yeah, get up, you're all right.
Good job, Reynolds. You good, buddy?
Huddle up.
It's like a dog pile. Not a hold.
Get back on your huddle.
Little, you good?
Yeah, shake it off.
Hey, let's go, White. We're all right.
Hey, six. Number 6.
Carson, be tough, let's go. You okay or not? You're either hurt or you're injured. We gotta fight through hurt. Here we go, watch that ball, fire up. Same thing, Carson, same thing, let's go.
On the outside. There you go. Rouse wide.
On the snap, John.
There you go, Reynolds! There you go!
There you go!
Way to fight!
You gotta do something.
Carson, that's there every time! Every time!
That's left, Carson. Mason. Nothing outside,
That's how
buddy.
you fight through a hole to make a tackle, kid. Good job. That's how you fight through a hole, boy, right there. Every time. Hey, Johnson got fired off that ball.
Come on, Greens, let's get a stop behind the line. Let's go!
Hey, get in there, Quinn.
They don't know what they're doing.
Run!
Hey, way to get in the backfield, 99!
Move Austin to Buck.
Way to go, Johnson!
Up!
One, give me a receiver. Receiver, 12, number 12. 12, easy. 12, let's go.
Is your calf hurt, Carson? Your calf hurt?
Yeah, so I got the tackle and then like someone like hit my leg.
You're okay.
Come on,
that's
Quinn!
That's just a bruise, buddy. You're tough. They're
Get in
not
there,
fast
Quinn!
enough. You can get to the line every time.
Strong!
Every time you do the same thing.
Go! Go!
Strip that ball.
Quinn! Yes! Hey, Jackson! You gotta make contact, kid. That's you. You gotta get that guy. Outside, Abram, out! Abram, out! There you go. Hey!
Here we go, boys. 3 minutes. Helmets on, ready to fight. We got 3 minutes left. We're not done. Helmets on, get ready to roll. Kick returns next. Jump kick return. Right here by me. If you're not, you're ready to go mentally for the next rep.
Block that. Oh. Come on, Greens, let's take this one back. You're all right, Greens, let's go. Let's get fired up. Huh? Fourth.
You didn't teach me how to do that. Yeah.
One play at a time, Greens. Let's do it.
Yeah, there you go.
Gotta get a body on somebody, guys.
Hey, kick off. Hey, who's on kick off?
On the 40. On the 40.
Behind the 40.
Right there.
Back up, middle. 64, back up.
Course, you gotta be behind the 40.
Middle. Behind the 40.
Yeah, there you go. There you go.
Spread out.
Hit somebody.
Amber. Go! Go make the tackle! Go get it! Fine! Let's go! There you go. Hey, you guys gotta run! Let's go! Okay! Let's go! Hamburger. Hey, right here. Gold team! Hey, boys! Run! Hustle, hustle, hustle! Outlet! Hey, get up here and pay attention. Hey, get ready.
Get fired up, guys. Come on.
Three! Hey, tell him, Norman, 3! Stay there, right there. Fisher, nothing behind you. Let's go. Hey, they gotta throw the ball, nothing behind you. Go pick it up, Fisher. Go get it.
You can rip
Corner, safety.
typically the best move if they do this is what?
Hey,
As hard as you try.
Warner, chip, step to the ball. Linebackers make the tackle. Go. Find it.
Are you going to do it very often? You're going to quit doing it. Okay.
Go, Graham, go. Back up,
Hopefully
Fisher.
they get that.
Back up, Fisher. Oh, Same D. Defense, let's go. Nice.
Let's go!
Hey, easily 12.
Hey, Reynolds, give me the football, Reynolds. Let's go.
Johnson. Winner out. Pass out. Winner, go back.
Be quick. Let's go. Get in there.
No. Hey. Come on, Green. Hey, get in the huddle right now. Still have to execute. Still down. On it. Oh, yeah, we're on the left. Sorry. Grease it. Next play. Hey, Phil Fisher. Where's Al Fisher?
Big fit.
Let's get a turnover. Come on, Greens.
Kitty, Abram, you got it. Yep. There we go. Go, Sam, out! Go, Sam! Go, Sam!
Jurgens! Get your hand up there, Williamson. Get ready, kid. Get ready.
Come on, Grace.
Everybody, let's go, return. End the game. Let's go.
Kick return. Hustle on.
Guys, talk to your guys. Let's go. We got to get a body on people.
Hey, block somebody. Find somebody and put them down.
Reed, let's go. Come on. Kick it in gear.
Behind the 40.
Hey, hold on. Get ready. Offense, get ready. Block somebody, Quade. Hey, Green, you better find another hat to hit. Everybody better find someone to block.
Go get him! Let's go, get the ball!
Get return.
1D. All right, D. Let's go. Norman.
Here we go, D.
You're out. Good job.
Oh, here we go. Oh.
Okay.
Abram. Go, Hamburger, hurry.
Very good. Jack. Hustle. Hey, let's go, D-line. Hey.
All right, let's block.
Fish. 3. Blank. 3. Oh, number 3. This way.
Nice catch.
Nice catch.
Holy smokes.
Hey, defensive line, you got to get in there. Let's go.
It tipped and then the kid still caught it. It was a good catch.
7-3. Time out, coach. Everybody over here is on the side. Bernie. Everybody over here, quick. Hey, what happened?
Yeah, I think so.